Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Car Views. Kenworth W1250 Royal Edition, a $1 million masterpiece that defines ultimate American luxury and power on wheels. Just look at this beast from the front. The massive chrome grille, bold LED headlights, and towering exhaust stacks give it that royal and aggressive stance. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so the metallic red color glows under every light, giving a sense of pride and dominance. The polished bumper and chrome trims shine like jewelry. Moving to the rear, you'll see the same attention to perfection. Smooth curves, aerodynamic shape, and elegant blue and white stripes across the body. LED taillights sparkle, and the finish is pure excellence. Now step inside this royal beauty. On the right side, the living room features premium leather sofas, a large LED TV, wooden cabinets, and ambient lighting, giving it a homey yet royal atmosphere. On the left side, the kitchen stands fully equipped. Refrigerator, stove, microwave, and marble countertops that reflect elegance and class. Moving forward to the bedroom, there's a luxurious king-size bed with a crown-style headboard, warm side lamps, and glowing wall lights. The wooden textures and perfect detailing give it that royal hotel vibe. The washroom continues this theme. Glass shower cabin, marble sink, golden-framed mirror, and shining chrome fittings. Every inch speaks of care, comfort, and class. Finally, the driver's cabin, a true command center. Diamond-stitched leather seats, touchscreen display, chrome dashboard, and panoramic windshield, built for those who rule the roads. The Kenworth W1250 Royal Edition motorhome truck is a royal statement, powerful, beautiful, and built to impress. So please subscribe to Dream Car Views, hit that bell icon, and like this video right now. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, because many people still watch but don't subscribe. Support helps me bring even more luxury motorhome videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next royal ride only on Dream Car Views.